Welcome, engineers! Today, we're exploring the Number Density Interactive Calculator, an essential tool for solving particle concentration problems in gas dynamics, plasma physics, and vacuum systems. This calculator determines how many particles exist per unit volume under various conditions, critical for designing vacuum chambers, plasma reactors, and gas handling systems. Let's examine the inputs. First, you'll select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. Your options are number density from pressure and temperature, number density from mass density, pressure from number density, mass density from number density, mean free path from number density, and Debye length for plasma calculations. For today's demonstration, we'll select number density from pressure and temperature. The input fields adapt based on your selection. For our mode, we need pressure in pascals and temperature in Kelvin. Other modes require mass density in kilograms per cubic meter, molecular mass in grams per mole, number density in particles per cubic meter, collision cross-section in square meters, electron density in particles per cubic meter, or electron temperature in Kelvin. Let's work through an example. Imagine we're analyzing nitrogen gas in a vacuum chamber at 100 pascals and 300 Kelvin. Enter 100 in the pressure field and 300 in the temperature field. Click Calculate. The results show number density as 2.41 times 10 to the 22 particles per cubic meter, and number density in inverse cubic centimeters as 2.41 times 10 to the 16. These outputs tell you particle concentration for collision frequency calculations, mean free path determinations, and vacuum quality assessments. One critical insight: always verify your pressure units, as confusing pascals with torr causes thousand-fold errors. Find the link in the description below.